How 25-year-old Jolly earned $301,099 with zero investment from YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back to Speak in English. I have a question for you. What if I told you that a 25-year-old from the United States, with absolutely no investment, turned YouTube into a $301,099 business? Sounds impossible, right? But that's exactly what Jolly did. And today, I'm going to break down exactly how he did it, step by step. The best way to predict the future is to create it, said Abraham Lincoln. And that's exactly what Jolly did. With $0 to start, creativity, and hard work, Jolly turned YouTube into his financial freedom. Stick with me, because over the next hour, I'll show you how Jolly turned a simple YouTube channel into a $301,099 business. This is a story you don't want to miss, and it might just be the inspiration you need to take the first step in your own journey. Meet Jolly. Jolly was a 25-year-old man living in New York City. Like many young people, he had big dreams, but the reality was that he was stuck in a regular 9-to-5 job. He was working at a call center, earning just enough to pay his bills and get by. But deep down, Jolly knew he was meant for something more. Success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts, said Winston Churchill. Jolly had that courage. Every day, he would come home from work and watch YouTube videos, learning from other creators who were making money online. He saw how people were building businesses on YouTube, sharing content, and earning a living doing what they loved. Jolly asked himself, why can't I do that? Why can't I turn my passion into something real? And that's when the idea clicked. He decided to start his own YouTube channel. With no budget, just his phone, and his determination. Jolly knew that to stand out on YouTube, he needed to find a niche. There are millions of channels out there, and competition is fierce. But Jolly wasn't discouraged. He took a step back and thought about what he loved, what he could talk about for hours without getting bored. He realized that he loved gaming, tech, and motivational content. Don't be afraid to give up the good to go for the great, said John D. Rockefeller. Jolly knew he had to combine his passions in a unique way. After some thought, he decided to focus on gaming tutorials with a motivational twist. He wanted to inspire people, especially young gamers, to pursue their passions and use their love for gaming to unlock new opportunities in life. He created his channel, Jolly's World, and started recording content about gaming techniques, tips, and tricks, while sprinkling in his motivational messages. He wasn't just teaching people how to win at games, he was teaching them how to win in life. With his channel set up, Jolly started recording his first few videos. He didn't have fancy equipment, just his phone and some free editing apps. But what he did have was passion. He recorded video after video, sharing his gaming strategies and life lessons. At first, the views didn't come quickly. He had to work hard to get noticed. The way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing, said Walt Disney. Jolly wasn't waiting for the perfect moment. He was creating content consistently, learning new editing tricks, and experimenting with different formats. He shared his videos on social media, in gaming forums, and asked his friends to help spread the word. Slowly but surely, his channel started to gain traction. Within the first few months, Jolly had gained a small but loyal audience. People loved his genuine approach and his unique combination of gaming and motivation. They didn't just want to learn how to play games better. They wanted to be inspired to take action and improve their own lives. As Jolly's following grew, so did his opportunities. He started researching ways to monetize his channel. He applied for Google AdSense, which allowed him to earn money from ads placed on his videos. But that wasn't enough. Jolly knew he had to diversify his income streams to scale his business. Opportunities don't happen, you create them, said Chris Grosser. Jolly didn't wait for opportunities to come to him. He started a Patreon account, offering exclusive content for his most dedicated followers. He also reached out to gaming companies, offering to review their products and promote them on his channel. Soon, brands started approaching him for sponsorships, and Jolly was earning money from multiple sources. By the end of his first year, Jolly had made over $50,000, a life-changing amount for someone just starting out. As Jolly's income grew, so did his vision. He wasn't content with just a few $1,000s a month. He wanted to scale his business. Jolly began creating more content, expanding his channel into vlogs, live streams, and collaborations with other creators. He also started investing in better equipment, a better camera, microphone, and editing software. "The best way to predict the future is to create it," said Abraham Lincoln. Jolly wasn't waiting for success to come to him. He was building it every single day. He also hired a small team to help with editing, content creation, and marketing. With a team behind him, Jolly was able to produce more content and reach a wider audience. As his views and subscribers grew, Jolly started earning 6 figures annually. He was no longer just a gaming content creator. He was a brand. By the end of his second year, Jolly had earned a total of $301,099. What started as a simple YouTube channel with no investment had turned into a multi-six-figure business. Jolly was living the life he had always dreamed of, financially free, doing what he loved, and inspiring others to do the same. "It always seems impossible until it's done," said Nelson Mandela. Jolly's story is proof that you don't need money to start. You just need passion, consistency, and the willingness to learn and adapt. So, what about you? Do you have a passion that you can turn into a business? Jolly's story shows that with creativity, hard work, and the right platform, you can build a thriving business from scratch. You don't need expensive equipment or a huge following to get started. You just need the determination to make it happen. If Jolly's journey inspired you, hit that like button, share this video with someone who needs motivation, and don't forget to subscribe to Speak in English for more inspiring stories and tips on how to succeed in today's digital world. Thank you for watching, and remember, your next big opportunity might be just one video away. Start today, and who knows where you'll be tomorrow.